Hello, everyone. I hope that you all are happy, healthy, and well. I just wanted to come on and make a quick announcement to let you all know that the Alkaline Healing Kitchen is open. We are open Wednesday through Friday from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. We are located at 2616 Blodgett Street in Houston, Texas, 77004. The website is www.alkalinehealingkitchen.com. We are offering a variety of happy, healthy, wholesome, homemade plant food items, many of which are based on Dr. Sebi's nutrition guide. We do have a variety of foods to choose from. We have several meals, combos, as well as desserts. We do have some items that do not contain ingredients that are on Dr. Sebi's nutrition guide, but they are still whole food plant-based for those of you who are transitioning to an alkaline lifestyle to give some variety and some options. We are on DoorDash, UberEats, and GrubHub, so we can deliver to certain areas within Houston. We also offer services where you can pick up your order or you can dine in and enjoy the food there at the facility. And for those of you who are in the United States, we are offering shipments on certain select items, which you can order on the website via 2-day delivery. So I invite you to come out and enjoy some wholesome, homemade, alkaline, and delicious plant-based foods with us.